Moving on to the next one. Here we have something to factorize. First things first, take out the common factor. Take out the 2. There is x squared plus 5x plus 6. Alright, look at what we're left with. This is a trinomial because there are 1, 2, 3 terms. So we've taken out the common factor. We now look down 3 terms. A equals 1. That means that the number out the front of the x squared is 1. So we have x squared plus bx plus c. Now you all know how to factorize that. We add 2 terms that add to equal 5. Sorry, 2 numbers that add to equal 5 and 2 numbers that times to equal 6. Those numbers are 3 and 2. So we have 2 outside of x plus 3, x plus 2, and we are there. Right, here we go. So first things first, take out the common factor. 5 is in each of them, so take out the 5. That's easy. A squared minus 2a plus 1. How many terms do we have left? 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. It's a trinomial. Look at the first term. That is a monic trinomial. So we just need 2 numbers that add to give -2 and 2 numbers that times to give 1. Those numbers are -1 and -1. So we have 5, a minus 1, a minus 1, of course it's a perfect square, which is 5a minus 1 squared gold. Good, let's do it. So again, common factor. Is there a common factor? There is no common factor. God, if you forget to take out the common factor, I will shoot someone. But, so, no common factor, we have a trinomial, 1, 2, 3 terms. The first term is monic, so we have a basic trinomial. We want to add to equal -4, and we want to times to get -165. Okay, so it looks tricky. What you have to think is, if we're going to times to give a negative, one of them must be positive and one of them must be negative, and they're going to have to be pretty big numbers to times to give 165. Okay. Secondly, if it's going to add to -4, we know the numbers must be 4 apart, where one of them will be positive and one of them will be negative. So I'm going to start with, say, 9 and -13. The negative is bigger because it's going to be a negative result. So when we times those 2 numbers together, we get 9 times 13, 90 plus 27 is 117, negative of course. Okay, not big enough. So we can just go 10, -14, make each one 1 bigger so that they will still add to that. That's -140, not big enough. Okay, 11, -15, that's -165. Check it on your calculator if you don't believe me. And we are there. So we're timesing -165, adding to -4, and we're good to go. So it's x plus 11, x minus 15. Good one to practice, guys.